Hi guys, and welcome along to today's cooking video. Yes, today we're going to do chicken, these particular ones here, and we're going to do them in the Tefal Actifry Genius model that we've got here using the top tray. I'll leave it to Jan now to take you through it.
Right, so we have our chicken portions. We've put our seasonal on there, no label, so well used. We pop this in here, okay, like this, and we push the lid down. Will automatically default to mode 1. In order to just use the top tray, select the minus and then this one. Now you can see us using the top tray. We want mode 6 because that's for chicken. They recommend about 10 minutes. I don't think that's going to be long enough because these are chicken legs as opposed to drumsticks. Push the timer button and then you can increase it to what you want. So I'm going to give these 20 minutes and keep an eye. As I say, we haven't done this before. I didn't say, I am saying now. We haven't done this before, so I'm going to find out how it goes. Okay, so shall I push the start button? You ready? Let's go. Working. So we ended up giving these 30 minutes. So just really do check that you've got that they're cooked properly. Is what I'm trying to say. So if you've got a meat gauge, make sure they're cooked, make sure they're running. Can you see this now? If you come round to here, on this, you can see it's going round on the dial. Okay, so make sure they're cooked. Obviously the smaller the portions, the quicker they'll cook. The bigger the portions, the longer they're going to take. Just make sure they're really cooked. These are cooked, they look amazing, and I'm looking forward to serving them up. So let's have a look underneath. Looking good, shrunk from the bone, look amazing. So Al, you're going to have to give them the taste test in a minute. Now this time I cooked the jacket potatoes in the oven. Next time we're going to try them underneath at the same time and see what happens. So watch this space. Now I'm interested to see what the jackets will be like next time because I normally cook them in the oven, as you can see. I wash them, pierce them, coat them in oil and then smother them in salt and cook them for a couple of hours really slowly. So I'm looking forward to see what they'll turn out in the old Actifry next time. However, today's about the chicken. So,
a little bit, shall we?
Is it alright? Is it cooked?
It's cooked. Fantastic.
Oh, thank goodness for that. Does it taste good? As good as the oven? Oh, cheers.
Easy.
Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Cheers.